Greetings, Benjamin J from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, what you're looking at, of course, is a Lionel 8142. So, excuse me, big heavy locomotive. Anyway, this is the first test of that tender made out of that Milwaukee Road shell and that Mark's dump car. Anyway, excuse me again. Have not epoxied anything together, just got it kind of snapped together. I've got a magnetic coupler right now because this coupler is so short, but it is coupled in the rear. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video of the first run around the rail. This thing is made completely out of junk parts. If you look up junk parts in the dictionary, there's a picture of this tender. But as you see, it works. So no one would ever know that was made out of a bunch of junk parts assembled out of a parts box. It looks like a large Milwaukee Road tender. And it runs like a Milwaukee Road tender. That's the neat thing about it. Anyway, as I always stress, don't overlook the junk. It only took a couple minutes to make this thing. And it gives me a new tender or a piece of rolling stock. So I'll get this finished up, add the wheel weights to it, put the new couplers on it, epoxy it together, and I have a new tender or a new piece of rolling stock that cost me absolutely nothing. And as you see, no one would ever know that was just a bunch of parts slathered together out of the parts box. It looks like a tender, it runs like a tender. It actually runs quite well. Looks nice. It's the largest tender I have, in fact. Probably should have done this sooner. Anyway, as you see, it works. That's the neat thing about it. Pennies on the dollar, making things out of junk. It looks nice. The nice thing about it, of course, is you're using some junk parts to do it, and you have the satisfaction of knowing that you put something together that you can use. You know, whether you actually use it as a tender or use it as a piece of rolling stock. It is up and running. So anyway, looks like it's worthwhile doing. So I'll put some tenders or some couplers on this thing. And that locomotive is beginning to smoke. Well, I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah, very likely not. Anyway, I'll put some couplers on this tender, get it fitted and epoxied together, add a couple wheel weights to it. It's going to be a really decent tender that cost me absolutely nothing. Looks nice and runs perfectly. If it runs this well, it's not even finished, it's going to be a really decent tender when it's done. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.